Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are excited to present to you the latest addition to the Honda family, the new Honda CB150R ABS-DD in the stunning Fanciful Matte Black color. Get ready to be mesmerized by the sleek design and powerful performance of this incredible bike. The new Honda CB150R ABS-DD is the epitome of style and innovation. With its aggressive stance and bold lines, it is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The fanciful matte black color adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making this bike a true showstopper. But it's not just about looks. This bike is packed with features that will take your riding experience to the next level. The ABS-DD technology ensures maximum safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking, giving you peace of mind on the road. The powerful engine guarantees smooth acceleration and impressive performance, making every ride a thrilling adventure.